Your clothes are dirty, the grid is down, and water is scarce. Do you panic or adapt? What if the key to survival isn't in a machine, but in your own hands? Today we'll uncover the forgotten art of off-grid laundry, because in a world without electricity, clean clothes can be the difference between comfort and chaos. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Prepper's Path, where we prepare not just to survive, but to thrive. Off-grid laundry might sound old-fashioned, but it's an essential skill every prepper needs.
I agree.
You don't need expensive equipment, just basic tools and some grit. Let me share a story about Daniela, a mother of two who faced a weeks-long power outage. With no working washing machine and two kids running around, Daniela had to get creative. She found an old washboard in her garage, used a basin filled with soapy water, and started scrubbing. It wasn't easy at first, but soon she got the hang of it. By the end, she not only had clean clothes, but also a sense of control in a powerless situation.
Wow!
So how can you do it? Here's a simple breakdown. Gather your tools. You'll need a large bucket or basin, a plunger or washboard, and some soap. Homemade or eco-friendly soap works best to keep things sustainable. Wash. Fill the bucket with water and soap. Agitate your clothes with the plunger or scrub them on the washboard. Rinse. Use clean water to rinse out the soap. Dry. Hang your clothes on a sturdy line. Sunlight is your ally here. It dries and sanitizes naturally. And don't wait for a crisis to practice. Try it now so you're ready when it counts.
You can do this.
You can do this.
Off-grid laundry isn't just about keeping clothes clean. It's about reclaiming control when systems fail. It's a small but significant way to build resilience. Mastering this skill puts you one step closer to total self-reliance. Are you ready to take on off-grid laundry? It's easier than you think, and the benefits are priceless. Don't miss our other videos. The hidden prepper hack for cheap and organic gardening. Off-grid cooking. How to prepare meals without electricity. And coming up next, how to prepare for an ant invasion. Because even the smallest threats can cause the biggest problems. Hit like, share, and subscribe for more prepper tips and skills. Because when the grid fails, preparation is everything.